For my next trick, I'll make you disappear.
Use discount code JacobVile when you shop. Is your lithium down there?
Can't see it.
Hidden underneath. You still use your bolts for your connection point?
Yeah.
How much lithium's in it now?
2 limitless 40 amp hours.
Okay. Sweet.
I forgot about you. You had this truck for a long time. Wow. Oh my God.
So you on 2 or 3 alternators?
2.
2?
370.
All right. Hey Jess.
I remember the old Dropping Hurt shows back in the day. You had this up on the mountain.
Nice. And this is 815's 4th order. The BD4?
BDL3.
BDL3, okay, BDL3 audio pipes. On, is it 3 or 4 the audio pipe amps?
4 4Ks.
Okay, 4Ks. Alright, sweet.
I'll play one that can't get hit with copyright.
For my next trick, I'll make you disappear. Joke's on you.
So have you ever tried mounting them regular instead of inverted? Are you able to? They won't fit? Oh man. That's one thing I was thinking. I wonder if you did mount them regular, if you would gain any kind of lows or highs. Nice.
24.
That was 24 hertz. That's low. Yeah. Thank you for the demo again, Jacob. Nice to meet you again, man.
I'm gonna hit you with a high one.
Oh, okay. You want the window up?
No.
Or I'll let you control it. What's your SPL score in this now?
59's right at a 6.
Really? Man, nice. 54 hertz. It chokes you, man. Ooh, thank you, man. That was awesome. That was a. What was your frequency range on that one? Do you know?
I have no clue.
It's got to be at least in the mid 50s. That higher note, man. Awesome.
I'm
You good?
defrosting my
I was gonna
hands.
say, yeah, it feels good with the heat. Hey, thanks, man. Good to see you again.
No problem.
Yep. Stay warm. That was awesome. Yeah,